Hey guys, Flabaliki here today and welcome back to Cities Skylines. We are gonna be building in a city. That's right, it's unheard of. It's something that we've never done before. Hey, welcome back. So, obviously we're working on this area, we've been doing all that stuff, but I also noticed that, actually, no, now we're fine. We are having a water issue though throughout the city. We don't have enough. Oh, also, we're having goods issues over here. Not enough goods to sell. Right. So actually that, you know what, that's actually been an issue for a while. Wait, hang on. You don't have enough raw materials? Don't you have a cargo? Oh, wait a second. No, I know what happened. It was from last episode where we had the train jam. Where that sort of, well, yeah, that's what happened. That's why we don't have any goods anywhere, because everything got stuck. All right, well, hopefully it should go back to normal. But no, the water issue is an issue, so we can solve that at least. No, I need a water... What do I need? A water pump? I think we're still using water towers everywhere. That's what I've been doing. We've just been placing more of them down. Also got some crime out there. That's sad. Well, I mean, we could keep using water towers, or we could just actually use a water pump. But I kind of like the water tower. I don't know where to use it, though. Maybe we'll go out. Actually, you know what we need to do? Let's go out over here. Oh, we already have one here. Okay. Let's go out over here. We'll do one in this area because it's, you know, by the farms. It seems like it's quite fitting, so we'll do that. Oh, it's beautiful. Man, look how many trucks are going down this road just to get... oh, they all go into these freaking silos? Dude, these things from the Industries DLC, they just attract so much traffic, it's actually crazy. Like, look how much... They're just sitting there all waiting to go there. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them are. To get to these two guys. It's actually ridiculous. We almost need like a bypass just for this town because all these cars try to get through. Although actually, to be fair, we do have turning lanes so they can get past. Oh, except for this one. Maybe this one is a turning lane. Let's do that. Looks pretty busy. The other thing, we want to zone more industrial, I think would be good. I'll do the same back here as well. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll use the other road. We'll use the asymmetrical road from the game somewhere. There it is. We'll use this. There we go. That's better. Okay, so what we're going to do, this goes here, specific left. That goes forward into either lane. That is the right turn. That's good. Okay, so now we'll have all these turning lanes. And it should be good. So then, there you go. Those are only turning lanes. The others go forward. Should be nice. That's a turning lane. Is this only a turning lane? Yes. Okay, good. So that means anyone that's just driving straight through should be able to drive straight through without getting stuck. I mean, besides, you know, people cutting them off, but... there's like a lot... I'm just watching this, so there's a lot of like weaving back and forth if they're just driving straight through. But I mean, hey, it works. So, except the only place that doesn't have a turning lane is there. Anyway, that's fine. So that's all I wanted to do there. We also need... So we need more industrial, I think, in general. I also want to build out this island here too. But where should we do more industrial? We got a little zone here. I guess I don't want to put more down this train line because this train line is already having a tough time. Maybe we should go over the other side of this bridge here instead of have an area over here where it comes down. We can do like a forestry. Then the rail can actually come back up this way and join up to here. And we can join to this highway here and have this sort of area developed into like a little township. All right, so I'm going to have this come down over this way and then it's going to join to the ground here. Like that. Yeah, so we'll sort of raise it up a little bit just because I felt like it was going to slope too much otherwise. Like we have to bring it down quite a lot. So if we do it a little bit more gradually, we should be good. And then this can just sort of curve around. We'll join the ground over there, straight slope. Yeah, that looks good. But what we'll also do is now just smooth out this whole section. So it should now, it comes down here and then this like gradually slopes between all of that and then it should be fine. And then we can have this come up this way. Let's just build a highway interchange up here too. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Wait a second. What is going on in my game? Hold up. When did this happen? How is this even happening? We have... Wait. Maybe we have... Oh. Did I turn Oh. Damn it. You guys would have said that last time too. It says disable despawning. Then it says enable... Okay. Well, alright. So I've figured out what my issue is. I apparently at some point clicked this, and hang on, enable despawning is what we want. I don't know, when did I click that? You know what? Let's try this on again. Because it did clog up. But that's because we had despawning disabled. I mean, it'd be nice to have the city run with despawning disabled, but as we saw, I don't think that's going to happen. Anyway, so that should solve a lot of issues. This might be the dumbest interchange ever, but it's basically just, it's like a level interchange. So basically, if you're exiting, you go in this lane, it goes across. You can't like turn onto this road, but it flows through. You basically give way, then go through. Same on that side. I mean, I think it'll work. It's basically the same thing as this, just on a much bigger scale, and this works here. So my theory is it'll work until it doesn't, and in which case, that's when we'll fix it. Until then, let's also smooth this out, because otherwise it's going to be a little rough around here. So you can see all those like terrain lines everywhere, which I'm not a big fan of. It's all sort of a little bit jagged. So we're just going to go through and fix up all that as per usual. Now, I know that I still haven't, and I keep saying this, I know I still haven't done an asset list or a mod list, but people do keep asking which map this is, and if you go to episode 1 of the series, then you'll see the map, because I linked it. So you can definitely find that there until I eventually make a modern asset list. Now, that's going to come down this way. Actually, so where's a rail? We need to do that too. I guess that will just branch off this way. So if we get this and come out, get this and come out here, preferably not underground, thanks. Is that okay? How's that? Ooh. Is that okay? Yeah, that's sure. Great. There we go. That's a little bit better. And then I guess if we just... let's just level this off for a second. Whoa! Okay, no, let's not level that off. Okay, this is a lot hillier here than I thought it was. We can slope down a bit, but can't go too much because it is still a rail. I guess we'll have to, you know, get the land to sort of conform a little bit to it, I guess. Wow, okay, that's a much bigger descent than I thought it was. I guess what we'd really need to do is come off here and go this way and down. Yeah, okay, let's do that again. Let's do that again. I did not see that at all. Yeah, if we come off here, especially because it's like, it's saying it's at -8. Oh, actually, this is -3, but it was like -8 down there. So I was like, oh, it's probably fine, right? It's probably fine. That's going uphill there, actually, so we'll have to adjust that. That can come down this way. Okay, so now, yeah, that's real uneven through here. So what we can do is do this and select this whole section. And I think if we just do a slope till probably that point, because it is going down a little bit there. So this will probably cut through the terrain a little bit, I guess. Where did I go up to? To here. Yeah, like that. That's all right. Yeah, because then that's a much smoother sort of transition, and then this starts going down, which is perfectly fine. But if we select all of these bits and slope this section, then we should be good. Yeah! Much better. Okay, so then that comes out this way, and it's going to head down over here to whatever we... Actually, this is a really good spot. Oh, should we do it? We should do a cargo harbor here. Hell yeah, we should do a cargo... Oh, cargo harbor. In here, cargo harbor. Is that shipping line? Oh, we will need to expand that. Shoreline required. Well, this is a shoreline. Apparently this is not counted as a shoreline. Ooh, I wonder if we could do it under this bridge. I mean, how do we get the train there? Nah, I think it needs to be like over here somewhere. Apparently here works. Now, actually, what I'm going to do... Which one is the cargo? Ship path or ferry? Okay, let's get the ship path. Let's bring that further up here. Because it kind of just stops here, so we'll bring that further. So it's going to come down here. And we're going to go... Should we go under this bit of the bridge or that bit of the bridge? Maybe this bit. So we're going to go here. Well, I guess we can sort of, first of all, bring like that, and then maybe this section can come up this way. And that goes under there. And then it can come through into this like bay area. Oh, it's a really shallow water here, I guess. Probably the issue. Let's get rid of that. Can we fit it at all through here? Turn off anarchy for a second. Water required. That's how shallow it is here. We might not be able to go back that far. Maybe it's just here then. In which case, let's get rid of this bit, because we don't need that then. Let's go further down this way. Because, I mean, the only reason to have a bridge up this high was to get ships underneath it. Otherwise, it was kind of silly, because, I mean... there was quite a few people like, oh, why are you building so tall? Well, no, so we can get ships under it. Big cargo ships. So hopefully now... Oh. So hopefully now... Damn it! We might need to lower the depth of this water. Apparently it doesn't count as water. It's so shallow. Hang on, this bit works. Hang on. Some of it here works. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's use that bit. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Where am I? What? Let me bulldoze. Why is it? When it goes into the underground view, I get lost in all the hotkeys. I don't know. I feel like I've never learned the hotkeys properly. I've sort of half learned them and then I just keep pressing them until I get what I want. All right, so then that comes through here. And then maybe, I guess I'd have to turn like this. Because a little bit of a schmozzle, but can go in there. So it can come around all the way around like that now. Comes up under the bridge, turns there. And that means we could also probably get harbors anywhere else through here too, which is good. Okay, so now that we've done that, we should be able to get this down here. Yeah, there we go. I guess the question is, how do we get the train line here? Because we're going to need to get that down here. I guess it's just going to have to do like a turn and come around. All right, so that one comes down this way. Look at that. That's beautiful. So it goes, peels off that way. This one comes around this way. Oh, it's a work of art. Then this one needs to come back up and sort of join going that way and to the other side. Okay, so I built the rails. It is this complete like sort of one-way system. It connects to go in both directions. I think it looks pretty good. I think that'll be great. I mean, there's a few little rough areas, but I mean, that'll be fine once we decorate it up. And then we're just going to actually make it useful for cars and trucks and actually have an industry here. So if we have this rail running basically straight through the middle here, we've got to sort of figure out how to get roads through all of this as well. Definitely don't want to do level crossings because that's going to be too busy. It's a little hilly, so maybe we can get one that goes underneath here and there. Okay, so I've got some roads in here now as well, which I think are just going to be like a little bit of an industrial center. Like we've got this one-way road system where you come in here and it goes through here and then it flows around. And then if you want to go back out, you sort of go through this way. Look, it'll be interesting. Also, I need to actually figure out where we're getting traffic from. I've done a few like roads coming out, but we obviously need to connect it up. It's only going to come from there, I guess, because there's not really any other road that we could connect to unless we also did a road bridge. I guess we could have a road here somewhere. Maybe we even do a tunnel on this section. It comes out on this island and then sort of comes across as a bridge or something. That could be a way to go. Actually, you know, that's I think what I want to do. So I'm going to have a large road come out around this way. And then it's going to start going down here. Because this is quite common as well, where they sort of go down, like on a land area here like this, and then it sort of tunnels underneath, so then ships could go above as well. So I think this could be a good way. I think we might have to go a little bit lower though, just to get under the water as well. So maybe if we go from there, and then sort of just slope this down all the way along to here, like that. So it starts going down, then it tunnels down that way, underneath the water. That could be quite cool. I hope people use this, otherwise it's going to be completely pointless. So that's going to go to there. Now, we're going to obviously have to adjust that. That's a little bit of a problem. I guess we might need to bring the tunnel back one, maybe to there then, I guess. That should be fine. How's that? Well, it's put a bunch... You know what? I actually don't know why it's put trees there, because we don't have prop anarchy on. So maybe if I just do this, shake the road a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good to me. So it comes down there, tunnels underneath, very nice. So then that is going to go, that's actually looking pretty good. I'm going to turn off anarchy for a second and just build this normally. So we're going to go over to this island. I guess what I'll do is I'll go like this. Well, actually, where do we want to surface then? Maybe we should surface sort of in the middle and then it could like split off one that way and one goes up that way. We might need to extend the island a little bit actually now that I'm looking at it, because if we go to here... that's fine. And then we're going to come up, hang on, surface, like this, straight slope. I'm going to go normal. Obviously, we're going to go anarchy just so we can actually place it. Straight slope to, I guess, to here. Yeah, see, there's your problem, which is fine. What we'll do is actually just get some land around it and just sort of extend the island out to this point. Just so that sort of comes up under the land. And hopefully, I don't know, will water drain out of there? We might have to sort that out. Let's see what happens. Because we've obviously done a lot of terraforming. Actually, let me turn this off as well, because that's not going to work right now. Okay, please don't flood. How's this going? Did this flood? No, this is good. See, that's basically what we want, but over here. And I don't know that that's going to empty out unless we put like a pump here. So we might have to do that. So what if we just do this? Just a direct connection. Here you go. And empty. Just from here to here. There we go. And hey, look, it's dry. There it goes. All right, so now I think we can just do this and get rid of this. I mean, that would have cost a little bit of money, but we also do have like 9 million. That's good. I would think I might even make this lower though. So it sort of comes out more like that. And then we'll, you know, oh, what? Why would you do that? Okay. Well, that was unnecessary. I was like, because then we can come up like this. No, I want the tunnel back here though. Okay. Well, anyway. Because I want to... No, that's not how that was supposed to go. Damn it. Stupid thing! Why would you do this? Hey, that's not what I said you could do. No, this is on the ground. This is on the ground too. No, that's too far. Now there's going to be water here. No. Come on! I also realized we don't actually need to power this. And we probably don't even need that. It sort of just makes the water disappear. Just fine by me. Alright, so let's clean that out. Hopefully it just keeps going without power. That was not meant to happen. Yeah, the idea is it comes up here. And then we sort of have it branched this way and that way. Okay, we're looking good. I don't think we even need that because I didn't do anything without power anyway. Alright, so now this can go, I'm just going to level it down to there just so we can sort of then start adjusting. So we'll come up a little bit, obviously. Okay, so from here, we split it off. So no, just ground level, please. One goes this way. Comes up like this. Wait, where? Well, actually, we really need to go right back. Really needs to split off back here, actually. So one, you know what? Oh, no, I don't want to destroy that because we'll have the same problem again. No, okay. One goes off this way. Okay. Like that. Let me just get rid of that bit. There we go. That's what we want. And then one goes off this way. Like that. Okay, now we just got to adjust this so it actually connects properly and does all that. Okay, there we go. Now, actually, you know what? I'm probably going to need to do this as a highway instead of having all these, because all these lanes crossing like this is really stupid. Okay. Okay, so I've just done a roundabout because I figured that made way more sense than trying to fit all these other lanes in there. And we've got the one bridge that's going to go off that way and do whatever over there. Then this one, I guess we're going to have it come across and go all the way over this way. And that is the plan. And then that simply connects up to these guys like this. And that's pretty much all I have planned for this. So just sort of goes here. Now, I did change this road to only a one lane either way, but that's also because I like these bridge segments. And I don't think this is a 4-lane road that has that. So they do have to like merge together, but it should be fine. It should be fine. So they come down here, that goes over here, and then it goes to this area. Right, so that's cool. That's all good. I guess we just need to get water over there. I guess we'll connect up to this, which can go all the way over here somewhere. Connect up to that. That's fine. And then from here, I don't think we'll ever put anything on this island besides the highway, because that's probably fine. And they can just have like trees or something. That's all good. Then this is going to be a nice, beautiful industrial shipping harbor. Lots of goods going to be going through here. And I guess we're just going to connect it up to the power grid as well. Ooh, I guess we probably want to go all the way around. Otherwise, we're going to have power lines running straight across the water. Oh, and I should probably connect up the actual highway connection, because what we've just built there is not really a highway connection. It's just a road that joins to the rest of the city. So we probably want to have a highway connection, which will come from here. To figure out the best way to do this. So we've got the rail here. I'm trying to see, maybe we should do a road bridge, like through here somewhere. Yeah, this should be okay, actually. If we go here, and then this just needs to go up above the rail. About there, maybe. And then we can probably just smooth slope this all the way along here. Oh, look, Jackson Bridge. What a beautiful name. Jackson Drive goes to Jackson Bridge. Isn't that nice? Oh, isn't that sweet? And then this can come back down. That's probably okay. We can really do some more terraforming around this area to make it look a little bit more sort of ingrained, I guess, into society, you know, part of the environment. But this actually, surprisingly, kind of lines up well right here, so we can use this quite nicely. So then that actually may become a way for these guys to get to the highway as well, which will be interesting. I actually kind of hope it does. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the speed limit on this road to 100. So when you turn down here, this actually might become a really bad intersection. We might have to rework this at some point. So that's going to be 100 all the way through. This roundabout, I guess it really shouldn't be 100 because it's pretty small. I might actually lower the roundabout to 60. That's what it was, but I'm going to put it back to that. Now, actually, did I set this up as a roundabout? I don't know if I did that much. No, I didn't. So we're going to make sure that we're actually setting this up properly and that everyone can sort of do the bits that they need to do. That's all good. That's all good. Yep. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Everyone's giving way where they need to. That'll flow through. Oh, I guess we should probably also... Oh, yeah, I already did that. Look at that. I was genius. This should probably have the same. Because otherwise I'll end up doing stupid U-turns like there, which we don't really want. So we want to make sure all these lanes merge through properly. And we also want to make sure that they can drive through that intersection without stopping as well, because there's no point to stop there. And then that should hopefully just be fine. It'll be interesting to see what happens here. Now, oh, I haven't actually done the power lines yet, so let me do that. It's going to come all the way up around the back. All right, so for now, I'm just going to run it through this side just to get around to the cargo harbor, because this will probably start being used before anything else. All right, so this, okay, turn that on. Oh, it's autosave. No, I was trying to click it. I was like, why is it not clicking? It's because it's freaking autosave. All right, so that should start working. That should have power and water now. Whoa, power is getting low. Actually, we still need to solve that from a few episodes ago where I've just been like piling up these guys over here. Let's get another one. For now, we just need to do that. Water availability is low again. We really should also come up with a better solution instead of doing water towers everywhere. We can do a water tower out here though. Yeah, I mean, we could probably do one out here. It might get polluted though. That's why I don't really want to do it in an area where I might be building up industrial. Usually not a good look. Maybe one of these islands. Maybe like over here somewhere. Maybe right here. It seems like a weird spot to have a water tower though. Maybe on this island. What if I just put it here? They won't mind. Why would you have a water tower? That's so dumb. Why did I do that? Why would you have a water tower there? I mean, any of these. We should probably just get a water pump. Should really just start pumping up the water. It would just make more sense. I guess through here. It's not polluted, right? I don't think so. I don't think any of the water's polluted. It's all looking pretty good. But just to be safe, we never dumped any sewage over here. So let's try this. Do we have any power here? Oh. Almost. Oh, we got a water tower right there as well. How about that? How about that then? Oh. Okay, can you join to that? Oh, well, that looks ridiculous now, doesn't it? We got these giant wires here, and then it's like, we got these tiny, tiny little ones going to this giant pump. I feel like that wouldn't provide enough power. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. If it works, it works. It seems to work, so that's fine. And we have enough power. Great. So this over here should be operational. The crime rate is high over here. Is anyone using this? Oh, actually, someone is. Oh, yeah, they're totally coming over this way now. Now, this could also be a bad thing. We might be attracting trucks to drive through here now. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. Anyway, the point is, the whole point of doing all of this is to zone this up. And I guess this might be heavy industry, like just normal industry. Yeah, I'm happy for this to just be some dirty industrial buildings, and then out this area we can do forestry. I think that'll be fine. I'm even zoning along here because I think it'll be okay. And then I think maybe if we do some like high density commercial here, just so they have some shops, maybe some offices around the back here. Just so there's a little bit of something else through here for them. And then this can be all industrial. Now this is going to get pretty busy. So I'm actually kind of excited to see this area come together. And then we can move these power lines out of the way once this builds up a little bit more too. So that'll be good. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, great, thanks. Go away. Cool. All right, so this is coming alive. We've got some cars driving down the road. Actually, are people using this to get to the city now too? Because I would be okay with that. Yeah, they totally are. Problem with this though is if... No, none of them seem to be doing that. I was going to say the problem is if they're entering here, cutting through to jump onto this highway, but they're not doing that, which I guess makes sense because it's just a way to get over here. Actually, this is great because it means we're now taking people off of this entrance highway and probably also off of this road. This is good that we now have another way to get there. Only problem is these intersections here are probably going to get real bad. We'll probably need to separate this highway out a little bit more, but for now, Yeah, this is going to be good. Go into that tunnel underneath there. Just pops out over there. That's really nice. So it goes underneath, comes across as a bridge. I like that. I think that's pretty cool. Sweet. I would like to see this being used with some trains and all that as well. Actually, this is connected, right? Okay, yeah, it is. I wasn't actually sure if I connected this. Oh, wait. No, it does. It does connect this way. Oh, no, nothing connects to there, though. This cargo can't connect to the rest of the city. I'm wondering if we should do a turn probably from that line to join to this one. We probably should, actually, just so we can make the cargo more useful. Let's have a look. So, from underground here... Okay, turn off all that for a second. Oh, hang on. Underground mode, please. Underground from here. Oh. Underground from... Okay, just anarchy, whatever. It's fine. Underground from here to there. Alright, so that should allow cargo to transfer from here to, like, up through the city as well. Oh, hello. Whoa! What's going on here? Disable despawning. Is it this stupid... Oh. It's this stupid intersection where I did give way. They're all giving way to every... Okay, this doesn't work. Oh, that was a mistake, wasn't it? I thought give way would mean they'd go one after the other, not all just stop and do nothing. Idiots. This might need to be a roundabout. Absolute morons. Good job, guys. One lane. No, I need... Oh, actually, we can try... No, that will be... Because it'll have zoning on it. I don't want zoning on it. Let's try the one lane highway. Or what, the entrance ramp. What is it called? Highway ramp. Oop. 15. How big is that? We could push... 13? What if we did that? Oh. I mean, I think it's fine now. They seem to be doing okay. Actually, what I need to do, because it's a small roundabout, is probably let them flow on as well. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why some parts of this roundabout are glitched. It only seems to be this section. For some reason, I can't do anything with that. But anyway, now it seems to be working. Hooray! And I don't think I broke anything else besides that. So I guess that's a plus. I don't know. This road's set up slightly differently. I added a few more lanes here too. I don't know. It's a bit of a mess, but oh, look at all this traffic we have going down here now. It's great. We probably should get some services out. Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, yeah, we need some services out here. Let's get a fire department and all that kind of stuff. Maybe like quite a large one is probably a good idea. Maybe back here by the rails or like over here. Actually, yeah, we'll get it right here. We'll move that in. And then they wanted a police department out here as well, didn't they? So get one of those. Just a small one. And then maybe a crematorium, because, you know, you never know what's going to happen out here. We'll get that over there. We'll also get a little clinic, because people might start getting sick out this way. I guess we'll just... it seems kind of weird. We kind of just piled all the services at the back here. But I guess we could also turn this into a little commercial hub, so maybe it's like a little commercial strip with all the services there too. Just so you sort of come around the back and go to the shops or something. I know we have some in the middle there too, but, you know, why not? Why not get a few more around here? Do we have trains out here? Whoa, that's a lot of traffic flowing out of this thing. And I guess a lot of them come through and then like... Oh, actually, I need a... No, this is no good. No, the right lane goes there. The left lane goes here. Come on, guys. That should be simple. Why would you do that? If you change lanes, then the traffic will flow better. Much like how... No, don't. Much like how... Merge into these lanes first and then use the stretch of the road to change lanes, okay? It shouldn't be that complicated. Why are you finding that hard? Come on. I guess we should probably, if we had an exit here straight to the highway, it'd probably make sense too, because currently to get out, they have to go around like that, which seems kind of dumb. So that could help. That could be optimized. But that's a new little area that we can work on. Obviously, we don't want it just being this weird industrial center with nothing around it. We'll try and make it look a little bit more towny. Maybe build an actual town near it would make sense. Rather than just having this weird section. Anyway, I'm going to leave this part here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave your comments, suggestions, and feedback down below. I'll see you next time, and have an awesome day.